Recently, I came across this variety of climber, and I did a video also on that, but I couldn't get the identity. And some people, to their eyes, they said it may be this size is this color. But here I can show that both are there next to each other. Sizes discolor and then this other one. So you can see that there's a difference is there. Sizes discolor with this one has a good exposure to sun. The coloring and all is very nice, like that. This one is almost significantly bigger than that. Color also is little different. So if any of you can find out what is this, I can make one video on that. This one also, this one. This I already covered. It's getting popular slowly as a house plant in America and all kind of places. It's not yet become a star, but I think it's going to get its hour of glory, and a lot of people may start taking a fancy for this sizes discolor. This one also, it's worth finding out what it is. And the third variety is this also is there. Smooth and fleshy, not very fleshy, but not really having thorns also. There's no thorns. One little thorn is there here. There. Then there's a fourth variety also here. This one, this is having a lot of thorns. Red color. They all look like the Dioscorea type of shape is there. So there's a few things what I could see here.